Hello everyone. Are you thinking about Google Ads? And sometimes, when you think about that, you think it's very difficult. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Google ad campaigns easily for your new business. Hello everyone, I am John Ordonez, entrepreneur and real estate agent. I met with a friend let's say 3 or 4 weeks ago. We were speaking about his success and about Google Ads because I was having a hard time with the company I hired and spending a lot of money paying them to manage my Google Ads, and I was not that happy. And he said something, John, Google is a company that works to make things easier for people. That's why they are very successful. So that's why he said, I'm managing my own Google Ads and you should do the same. So I said, is that difficult? He said, just go there and Google is going to show you how to do it themselves. I couldn't believe it. So I started exploring and I did it myself. I'm not a Google expert, but I'm just going to show regular people how to do that. If you want to start a new business, if you are starting your new business or you're being in business for a short period of time and you want to save some money, well, this video is for you. Let me show you how to do it easily in a few steps so you get your Google ads running and creating more clients. So let's jump right in. Alright, so let's continue with the video. In this case, I already logged in to my Google Ads account. See where the little hand is. If you don't know how to find this, you gotta just go to google.com and type Google Ads, and then it's gonna take you to the Google Ads website. And then once you're there, you have to create your account, get in there. And I normally use my Gmail account for this. I think you can use any email, in any email address, but if not, then just go to gmail.com. If you don't have an email address, go to gmail.com, create one, get back here, and then logged in the Google Ads and get to this page. Here I already have an ad running. Is my business. Actually, this one is being a very, very good source of clients. In this case, you go ahead and look for the plus button here for a new campaign. You're going to see that when you get in here. Look for the plus, click in there, very easy. Then you're gonna find 3 options here. Base this decision on what you offer, what your business is offering. What do you wanna get from this ad? You want people to call you more. You want people to see your website, to go and see your website and visit it. Or you want to get people to see your address and then just go to your place. In my case, I decided that I want more calls. We offer a service. In this case, I go there and I just hit next. Then it's going to take you here. I have another business here. It's another business I own, but in this case, I'm not going to use that one. So I'm going to don't use this info. Next. Then it's asking me for my business name. I'm going to put my business name. So I just hit next. Then my website. This is the website. Actually means that when people see your ad, they're gonna click there and they are gonna go to your website and they're gonna see who you are, what you offer, and all that. So make sure you have a website. If you have a service, if you want to offer our service, just the first thing you gotta do is just create your website. It's very easy to create a website nowadays. You can create a very, very simple website. I'm gonna make another video about that, but right now, let's say you have the website already. So let me put my company here. All right, then I click next, and then the system is gonna check my website, and then it's going to show me how people is going to look at it from a phone, from a mobile phone, and then also it's going to show me how people are going to see it from the desktop. So then I click next, and then it's time to create the ad. How you're going to create the ad? You're going to create it Remember the old days. If you're somebody that but probably if you are over 45 years old, 40 years old, around that, you probably remember the newspapers. Everybody putting ads on the newspapers. So this is the same thing. You use the first line to you see, look at this side right here, and it's gonna move. So I'm gonna put handyman, easy handyman, easy handyman. Let's just use that. You see, it's showing up right here. And then I'm gonna use my second line. Say, let's say no has. Let's say no headaches. No headaches. Let's use it like that. And then let's use this one. Let's leave that one right here. Polite and skilled handyman. You see, now you're gonna see it right here, and then down here you're gonna put what you do. Description 1. The description 1 goes right here. What you do, all that. Description 2 is more information here. Then you're gonna put the number that you want people to call you to, and make sure you have somebody there picking up the phone, because you don't want to miss all this work for nothing. All right, so it's gotta be a number that is gonna be always available. Then here, what are you gonna do? Add keyword themes to match your ad to searches. Remember, make sure you look. It says themes. You don't have to put there every single keyword. All you gotta do. I'm gonna delete these ones. But for example, I'm gonna put here handyman, right? So I go here and then suggested keyword themes. A theme, obviously, what Google is gonna do is they're gonna get this theme, and any keywords related to handyman, they're gonna show your ads to people typing those keywords. So when people type when people type like handyman near me, your ad is gonna pop up. Let's say handyman or around my area is gonna pop up. If for example, a cheap handyman around me, in my case, the thing is gonna pop up. All right, so you can also add these suggestive themes right here. Plumbing handyman and all that. You can put up to 10. Actually, Google suggests that you put up to 10 of these, like 7 or 10 keyword themes, so you get the best out of the system. All right, so let's do that. Let's do plumbing handyman. Let's do small home repairs. Let's put home painting work. Let's put electrical handyman, drywall repairs. I have 6. Let's do home handyman. Let's do window repairs. Let's do home improvement. I got 9. Let's leave it like that. You don't have to do all 10. All right. And then here, you're going to click next. When you click next, then it's going to take you to which area you want to target, which area, where is your business located, which area you want to target. And then in my case here, I'm going to put right here my address. Let's choose one address right here, 233 Boston Post Road, Wayland, MA. All right. So now you're there. This is showing you the area, 15 miles around that address. You can make it bigger like this if you wanna just increase that. Also, you can move it right here, see better the map. You can also go minus, go plus, zoom in or not. It's up to you. Look, all that. So you can zoom that. You can choose more area and all that. And let's say that you choose 15, and then or you can advertise in a specific zip codes, cities or regions. You can do this, or also you can do this one. This is what you can do. You just put the name. You can do whatever. You just put the zip code, whatever you want to do. Let's leave it like that. And then you just go ahead and click next. So once you're here, you're going to choose any of these options. You can use your on budget, So let's do that. Let's just pick this $10. Then you click next. After you click next, then it's gonna show you this, review your campaign to be sure it's right. You're gonna review whatever, all you need here, and you have to check all this again, make sure everything is correct. It's pretty easy, your budget, and then you hit next, and then you're gonna have your campaign live. Look, you're gonna have it like that. It's gonna show you how much you're spending. It's gonna show you all that. It's gonna give you where you're targeting and all that. I hope the video was useful to you. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel, hit the red subscribe button below. I hope I can see you soon. I'm gonna put some other videos right here on the screen so you can go and watch them. Go ahead and watch them. Very good tips for beginners, for business and all that. So hit right there, and I'll see you soon in the next video.